Welcome to Research Rocks. It's me Sangram. On today I'm not giving you any types of demonstration. Today time to unboxing of GoPro Hero 8. No, this is a last year product. But I missed in flight, so that's why I'm purchasing new GoPro Hero 9. And that one is in this box. So what exactly is happening in this box, what is the feature of GoPro 9 Hero 8, I'm giving you detailed demonstration. So please watch till end, as well as subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. So let's start as an unboxing in GoPro 9. I ordered this GoPro in China, AliExpress. So this total price is $479. So that one is amazing packing. They are providing me one memory card, 64 GB, as a free, as a gift. So first of all, show you. This screen guard of this GoPro screen. 2 they are providing us free. 3 and this another screen also. So where this one used, I don't know. So inside of the box, that one is a memory card, 64 GB. They're providing me free, and this some screen also. So this is a GoPro box. Look at this new GoPro Hero, and that one is a 8-1. This is a plastic. Some is very pathetic, and that one is a new default bag also available here. So I open this one. This is the difference between last year product and this year product. This is a bag default. That one is amazing. So what is inside? This is a magic. How many? What kind of informations are available? This is a magic guide. Magic informations are available on this. This is a subscription of GoPro. This is a use case and 2 stickers. I can use those stickers anywhere. C-type cable, stand, this battery size is huge compared to last year. This one and that one is our product. So first of all open this one. Okay, so this is not open now this year. Last year directly remove outside. This is battery. You can put it here, and then memory card also here. So I put this memory card here. First of all, open this battery, then put it here, memory card. Pack. Now I on this one. This on, GoPro is on. So such kind. This GoPro is a screen little bit very big here, so I go with English. Agree. off, install the app and leave the group. Skip this setup, you can add here. So today is 4/22 of April 21. I set this date and time. Now PM, I set the time and this GoPro is start. So I will show you what exactly clarity of this GoPro after recording in this continuously in this video. The face screen is very big, so I'm showing you what exactly features of this camera recording with my voice, and then I'm putting this screen also rest of video. This is the clarity of GoPro Hero 9 including my voice in my open room without mic. I'm recording this video, guys. What exactly voice are coming, you can put it comment, it's good, better or not better. And then clarity in this room, I'm not going to outside of my room, and see this video clarity of GoPro Hero 9, that one. Hope you like this video. You have any suggestion regarding this one, you can put it comment. And my upcoming traveling video I'm recording using this GoPro. Hope you like this one as well as upcoming videos, so don't miss. Press the bell icon and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. See you in next video. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.